This is a 2006 Acura TL. We'll be replacing the dash here. Basically, you probably have to remove everything on it. Your AC vent, radio, all this stuff here, all the center console, your glove box, and then next you're gonna have to remove the steering wheel, and then you're gonna have to unbolt all this right here, all this bolt right here. All the wire has to be disconnected. All this wire has to be disconnected. Here's the one I got from the junkyard. It's pretty good shape. Next, we're gonna have to remove the steering wheel right here. There's 3 bolts here, and down here. And then we probably have to disconnect all this wire here, all this here, all this down here. The steering wheel, there's 4 bolts here, one here, and 2 on this side right there, and one back there. Unbolt those and disconnect all this stuff here, and it should come right out. Okay, we have the steering wheel removed. Next, you want to remove this bracket right here. There's 2 bolts right here, this one, and this one right there. Okay, now we move on to the connectors. You gotta do all this right here. Everything that connects to this stupid metal thing right here. Everything, like all this right here, all this wire stuff. All this wire stuff has to be detached. Everything back here, everything has to be detached. Okay, we have we do this right here. Two more bolts right here. Disconnect it. Remove all these connections from the wires. I think I have removed everything here. Disconnect everything here. Okay, next we have 3 bolts over here. Okay, there's 4 more bolts down here, right there. Right there. Okay, there's 2 more bolts on the passenger side. One right there, and one all the way up there in that corner over there. There you go. There. And you have to disconnect all this stuff right here too. Okay, we have everything disconnected here. Everything looks good. Nothing's attached. You have everything disconnected right here. Everything's good. It's attached. And on the other side, we have everything disconnected right here. Nothing's attached. Nothing's attached in the back. Everything looks disconnected. Everything. Okay. This thing's about to get out. Whew. There's more shit to unhook. We have to unhook this wire right here. And it goes all the way back into the console. All the way back there. All that shit has to be disconnected. Oh, fuck me. Look at this. Everything unhooked, man. Oh, everything. Look at all this shit you have to unhook. All this has to unhook. All that has to be unhooked all the way back here. And it's all this stuff you have to unhook. Unhook right there. All that. And here's the piece right here. Look at how much wire you have to unhook. All that. All that. All that. There it is. A lot of plugs. A lot of plugs. Okay, got everything switched over. Got the VIN number switch over. Don't forget about that one. And everything's hooked back in. Oh, screws back in. Here's the old one right there. Okay, let's throw this thing back in there. There we go. All back put together.